So here's the thing, sometimes laptop keyboards just give up on you. Maybe a few keys don't work, maybe it double types letters, or sometimes it just keeps pressing things randomly. Super annoying, right? Now, instead of replacing the whole keyboard, a lot of people just prefer using an external USB or Bluetooth keyboard, especially if you've got a nice mechanical one. But the problem is, Windows doesn't give us a simple on-off switch to disable the laptop's own keyboard. So in this video, I'll show you how to actually disable your laptop keyboard in Windows 11 using a really simple command. It takes less than a minute, and the best part is you can turn it back on anytime you want. Alright, so first things first, make sure your external keyboard is already plugged in or paired. Because the moment you disable the built-in keyboard, you'll only have the external one to type with. Once that's done, go to your start menu, search for CMAMD, right click on command prompt and select run as administrator. This is important because if you just open command prompt normally, the command won't work. Inside the command prompt, type this line exactly as I'm showing you. Hit enter and you'll see a confirmation. Now go ahead and restart your laptop. When it powers back on, you'll notice your laptop's built-in keyboard won't respond anymore. Don't worry, your external keyboard will still work just fine. So basically, what we just did is we told Windows to stop loading the driver that runs the laptop's keyboard. That's why it doesn't work after the restart. Now let's say you travel somewhere and you don't want to carry your external keyboard, or maybe you just need the laptop keyboard again. Enabling it back is just as easy. Open command prompt as administrator again. And this time type press enter, restart the laptop, and boom, your built-in keyboard will be back to normal. And that's pretty much it. A super simple way to disable your laptop keyboard in Windows 11 and only use an external one. No extra software, no risky tweaks, just a single command. If this video helped you out, let me know in the comments. Hit the like button if you found it useful, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.